Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 174 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The work of investigation under the Vigilance Commission is entrusted to such a machinery, and I have grave doubts whether, in that case, the Commission will be able to come to grips with the problem or be able to find out the real cases of corruption through this machinery. If I am not wrong, I have read in the papers that there are complaints against the very officers or against the very persons who are now entrusted with the work of this Vigilance Commission. Therefore, my submission is that the agency for the investigation should be independent. I think that at least some special cadre should be created apart from the police and the investigation, or at least the final authority in the matter or the actual responsibility should not be with the police officers. What I have been told is that these very police dignitaries are entrusted with this investigation work, and when these police people investigate these cases, I doubt whether any real case can be brought to the notice of the Vigilance Commission. Next, I come to certain items which are referred to here as items of court decrees. Last time, when I spoke on the appropriation bill, I had requested the government not to act like a private party. The government appoints the arbitrator, and then, being aggrieved against the decision of the arbitrator, they go in appeal to the High Court or to some other higher authority. That is not a fair thing for the government to do. Once the arbitrator gives his decision, the government, like a good litigant, should accept that verdict and accept that judgment, and should not waste public money in going in appeal on that. I find that in two cases the arbitrator's decision has not been accepted, and there are two cases which are pending in the High Court against their decision. In the first place, the government should not create such things when a particular person is compelled to go to a court of law and seek arbitration. But then this is the rule of law, and everybody has the right to go to court, and the government also has got the right to go to court against any person. So, there is nothing wrong if the proceedings go to the court. But once there is a decision, the government should not go and avail of all the steps that are available to a private person, because there is a slight difference between a private person and the government. The government has to pay from the public exchequer and cannot do so slightly as and when they like.